Need water damage restoration in Seattle? National Restoration Construction is your local emergency team, ready right now. National Restoration Construction offers true 24/7 emergency response. Real crews answering day and night across Seattle. Every water damage restoration job is handled by IICRC certified technicians who know exactly how to protect your home. National Restoration Construction is fully licensed. License number NARESTCO 792M6 and insured, giving Seattle homeowners real peace of mind. From burst pipes to flooding, Seattle trusts National Restoration Construction for fast, thorough water damage restoration every time. Call National Restoration Construction now for a free estimate. Seattle's water damage restoration specialists are standing by at 206-883-0033.